Okay. Kiki kind of had a point, you know. If there's a rock falling down, you fuck. That's it, you know. But yeah, since we were moving all anyway, I decided I gotta find my own little spot. Yeah, this is where I sleep for the night because also I don't snore, luckily. But yeah, I know that there are people in our group that do snore, so now and then. So I don't want to be bothered by them at night. And another funny thing is, we were all moving, and the local people, they're all like, they really didn't understand what we were doing. But yeah, Kiki had a point, and we all moved a little bit away from the rocks.